Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Following that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and select Files section to add an audio file. Over here you can click on Audio Filter at the top, select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of the available sources, like download. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, you need to hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully attached. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Then click on your video over here or tap on Folders. Now you can select it from one of your albums by clicking on it and waiting. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!